In this session, we are going to discuss AWS Container Services and AWS Lambda. So container services basically is used to store the container, provide the container to store the data like Elastic Container Registry, Elastic Container Services, Kubernetes Services, and Red Hat OpenShift. So under Elastic Container Services or ECS, we are having creation of cluster, task definition, account setting, repository where the different informations can be stored. So it also helps in deploy, manage and scale the container, Docker container. So this is the ECS diagram where the container definition, then task definition, then service and cluster. So in this way we can create and we can customize according to our requirement. Next is AWS Lambda. So AWS Lambda is a serverless service where the user can run the code without thinking for the server or cluster. So without providing much more load to the server, we can execute our required code. So what are the benefits? No server to manage, continuous scaling, cost optimized with millisecond, consistent performance at any scale. So how it is going to work? So first write the code, upload it using AWS Lambda, then set up the code to trigger it, then apply the AWS Lambda service, and depending upon usage the user has to pay for it. So let us go to the AWS Lambda service. So go to services, compute service, click on Lambda. So it will show the dashboard of Lambda. So this is the dashboard of Lambda where we can create the Lambda function. So click on Lambda function. So created from scratch or existing blueprint or container image or browse serverless app. So these are the 4 options by the help of which we can create the Lambda function. Then we can use the programming language for run like .NET, Go, Java, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Perl. So different languages are there. And choose the language, preferred language through which you want to execute the Lambda function. So it has inbuilt also. So if you click on blueprint, so different samples templates are given. So it is integrated with Node.js, Python, similarly Python